We have the mini palletizer right here. It's a collaborative robot palletizer, so we utilize 3D scanners to monitor the area, and if anyone steps in the cell, it slows down into a collaborative mode. Easily back up to production with a click of a button. We are utilizing the PIAB end effector, vacuum-based. We have a payload capacity of about 25 pounds, anywhere from 5 to 8 up to 12 cases per minute if we're double picking. We have a fully customizable solution here. We can add in-feeds. We can change the orientation of the in-feeds. We can have one pallet station, two pallet station. We can customize the end effector based on what kind of cases you have. If you have a bigger case, we will space out the cups so we can pick it better. We also utilize MyRobot Cloud, which is a powerful integration tool. You plug in your case dimensions and we will give you a true-to-life digital twin simulation based on what you need for your application. It will give you case rate, everything like that. You can customize it based on end effector type, whether you need a large end effector, a small one, whether you need a fast case rate. All right, here we're looking at the Rocket Farm MyRobot Cloud application. You simply plug in your case dimensions and you can simulate a palletizing solution in real time within minutes. Here we're showcasing the UR20 miniPal solution. As you can see, it shows you real-time results based on box dimensions, speed, and application.